I had a little pasta with some leftover steak pieces that I put in it, and some salad and some wine. I had a breakfast this morning. I don't usually eat breakfast. 2 days in a row now. Now I'm eating a lunch/dinner. We had a tropical storm move through, and as you can see, it's like 1:39. Where's this thing? Pretty good. Anyhow, it's a beautiful day right now in the Florida Keys. Just hanging out. We had some minimal tree branches come down. I did all the landscaping before the storm, so you can notice how clean my yard is. Very clean. I'm going to be selling this house real soon. But yeah, you can see I did all the trees. All the trees are done. We got all the trees done here. So it's going to be nice and clean. Yeah. Got all the trees done. Take a picture over here. You can see we got everything done. Clean yard, clean yard, clean yard. Very clean. Very clean. Very clean, very clean, very clean. It starts outside before you can clean the inside. It starts outside.